Hi everybody, Manucha here from Moms and Crafters. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very practical tutorial for how to make holes in seashells. You could do this with seashells you brought at the beach. You could do this to make sun catchers. I'm doing this to make jewelry, which I will share in a different tutorial, so make sure you subscribe for that. There is also a link to all the supplies I use, as well as a written tutorial in the description of this video, so go check that out if you'd like that. So these are the shells that I'm using. It definitely works best with those that have a little bit more surface area to work with, so I'm going to do this one. So to do this, we are using, this is my WORX Maker X rotary tool. You can use any rotary tool such as Dremel. It does not matter. This is what I have. I worked with them years ago and they sent me this one and I do like it, so I have never replaced it. I am using a diamond tip, as you can see, and I'm going to actually take you over to my sink now to continue this process because we do need to keep our shell wet. All right, so this is my craft room sink. It's a bit messy here, so please excuse. Hopefully you could see exactly what I'm doing. It's a different setup than I usually use, and we're turning the faucet to barely a drip, but it should be a steadiest stream we could get. And I'm going to turn on my tool. It's spinning. And I'm going to run it under the water, and wherever I want to make my hole, I am just holding it in place there with the slightest pressure being applied. And just be patient. You can't really see, but we do have a hole forming there. This is what we have going on right now. I don't know if you can see. It's starting to form. It's translucent. And we are going to keep on going in that same spot underneath the water. Now do double check that your tool is able to handle this. I have no idea if mine can. I'm risking it. And here we have a beautiful clean hole. And then we're just going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side because we do want 2 holes in this one. And there we go. We have a perfectly smooth, 2 perfectly smooth holes. These are large enough that I'll be able to, stick a double strand through to start my bracelets. And I hope you enjoyed. There is a full process step-by-step right now in the description of this video. Subscribe if you like doable basic tutorials like this one, and to stay tuned for the bracelet tutorials coming.